everyone, welcome back to Side Live and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Inimba from the 15th to the 20th or 19th of December 2025 on Monday. Likamva shut his father out again, forcing Thulani to step in with hard truth. Lazarus nerves when Zolega pushes reconciliation with his father. Likamva makes a bold decision about his future with Zethu on Tuesday. Zolega reaches out to Lazarus and walks straight into fire. Lazarus battles the weight of a broken family bond. A meeting made for healing threatened to deepen the rift on Wednesday. Zolega's attempt at peace backfires in the worst way. Linda crosses a dangerous line at Kusela. Likamva's dream of marriage meet resistance at home on Thursday. Lazarus' world tilts and old wounds or tilts the old wounds reopen to make a fight to keep the peace at the Mabandla cracks under pressure. Mawethu's heartbroken spills into an unexpected places on Friday. Kawe makes a bold move that leaves a broken heart. Sydney beaten, threatening the fragile Christmas spirit, and Onga and Mawethu's tension erupt at the worst moment. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.